Come with me as I reflect on the milestones that I created on my YouTube channel as a social media creator at the age 55. I have some interesting ideas I would like to share with you about my past year and my future year going forward into 2025. Join me and stay tuned. Well, urban influence with Delores have grown to be a strong, small community that I have worked very hard at growing over the past couple of years, and I'm very proud of it. I'm still working on creating content that brings you value that you can use in everyday life for your business, working from home, making money from home, active or passive. Either way, I'm trying to bring you some good content. I've had the honor of being on 2 podcasts last year. I call into them on a regular basis, give my little 2 cents of whether they like it or not. It's fun, and they're lots of fun. The Reaper, hey, this is Delores, the Reaper, calling in, giving you a headache sometimes. You know, that's what I do. You know, 'cause you talk too much shit. Anywho, and for the 3Gs. The 3Gs, these guys are, you know, young, got a lot of spirit, a lot of energy, and I just want to give them my little 2 cents, you know, to see what's happening, to see what's cracking, you know. We're all creators and influencers, and we work together to grow our community. And from me, calling in, talking, commenting in their lives, I have grown my subscribers last year about 10 to 15 people. And it's not off of my content. It's off because they recognize me on the Reaper and on the 3Gs. So thank you guys for hooking a girl up. Hoping to see more of you guys in the near future. Hi. Well, every journey has its ups and downs. Mine is just the same as a social media creator, balancing social media creating with my regular life as a mother, a nana with 2 grandkids that visit all the time, a husband, a mother, and other little jobs I have around the house. It is really a challenge, but I wouldn't have it any other way. I really do enjoy social media and creating content for you guys. Let's just say last year I spent my year searching social media algorithm, searching other people's content, doing research, trying to find my own niche, you know. So I haven't been really making really true content for you guys about how to make money online, because I want to be real. I want to make it first so I can experience it and then come tell you all about it. Tell you what I learned last year to be pretty good at it. Well, as an Amazon influencer, I'm getting pretty good at that. And managing my storefront has gotten a lot better. My total I made from Amazon last year was $528. Hey, but I got Amazon to pay me something, you know. But I haven't been uploading a whole lot of stuff to Amazon. I'm just managing it. As I want to upload a video that I think is worthy of my time, I'll do it. But I don't go out searching and buying stuff to upload to Amazon. It's called passive for a reason. But I'm getting pretty good at it, and I love editing the videos. Then I learned, let's see, more about my YouTube, vidIQ, Canva, CapCut, and my new one is StreamYard podcasts. Everyone seems to be on that, and it is easier to do your videos and your lives with StreamYard. So add a StreamYard to a list of materials I have to learn. And the last one was Shopify. Shopify, I paid for Shopify for 4 months and didn't even use it. because I had like a good feeling that it was gonna be a lot of work. And that's why I just went ahead and they suspended my account. They don't delete you. They like for you to get suspended so you can come back. Like just like not suspend, but suspend so you can reenact it. You know what I mean. But anywho, but Shopify, I really did want to make my own product on demand. But Shopify was not going to be the route I'm going to use. And I can't wait in some of my next videos to tell you the route I'm going to use. That's way more passive than Shopify. Shopify is more of an active print-on-demand creator. And I want to be a passive print-on-demand creator with my designs. So watch for those videos to come from me soon. I want to share with you what 2024 taught me about social media. Number one, consistency. Yes, everybody knows that. If you're going to be on social media, you got to come up with a plan. Once a week posting, once a month posting. At least you know what you're going to do once, and be honest with yourself. Commenting and communicating with other creators. Now that was a good one for me. I did a lot of that last year. I did more of that than creating my own content. I commented on all kinds of other people's channels, small channels, big channels, and I always gave them good advice. I'm not a hater. I am no hater. If I don't like your video, I just won't watch it. I'm not going to spend the time typing something bad. But I do comment, and it matters to the other creators. They really appreciate it, and I believe I picked up some subscribers from that because those small creators appreciated my input. So don't forget to comment, like, and share your thoughts with other creators, and you might get a subscriber from it. Be authentic. Be yourself. Don't be phony. Don't talk, don't be one way and then switch up and be another. Always be yourself. For me, I'm just going to be myself. I'm trying to stay professional because of the YouTube algorithm. I don't want to get any strikes nor cussing on my channel. Some people don't mind it on their channel, but I'm trying to have a different vibe on my channel. I'm trying to make money on my channel. I'm trying to teach others how to make money on their channels, and I don't want to be demonstrating bad habits, of cursing, talking crazy, when I'm trying to teach you how to be professional and how to make money online from home. Because believe it or not, our sponsors is going to be paying us to make money online from home, be watching our channels. So you got to watch your brand. If you want to make money, you got to protect who you are and what you say online, because people are watching, and your destiny is in your hands. So be careful. That's what I learned last year. What have you learned? Comment below. Okay. Community over numbers. You want a big following right away, but truly you just want to build a community small with the people that think like you, who are doing what you do. It's been really refreshing to communicate with other creators online, because I am in a household where no one's really paying me no mind about my creation. They're just letting me do my thing. And so it's really nice to be able to reach out to other creators and talk to them, and they understand exactly what we're up to, what we're talking about. I really appreciate that, and we need that from each other. And I'm here to be a support team for anybody who wants it. Comment down below, and I'll text something. I'll say something in your comments really sweet. I am. I'm a really sweet lady. That's my first email name, was Sweet Lady. One of my new projects I'm working on that I just had a light bulb moment of just the end of 2024 is print on demand. Passive or active. And I realized that I was doing it all wrong last year. And that's what I'm going to focus on for the new year going forward. That print on demand does not have to be very active. If that's what you want, There's very active. You can have Shopify store, hire your print on demand, and build you a website, build you a storefront, do everything you need to do to get that store up and going. That's an active Shopify store for you. For me, I am on the passive end. I just want to design it. I just want to create it, upload it, and publish it, and let the website bring the traffic to my design and sell it. Just like Amazon influencer. I upload the videos to Amazon. They bring the traffic to my video. That's passive, that's active and passive. And that's my new projects going forward. And I'm going to be bringing you more information as I get it about this project. I'm so excited. I deleted my Shopify store. I'm like, I am not an active girl. I am passive. Shopify was going to be too much. And if you're like me, stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to give you the websites I'm working with, how good they're working, which one to work with and which one not to work with. All right? So I want to say thank you to everybody in social media that support me, and then I support you, and just all the creators out there. This social media is a lot of work, and I want to say that I really have enjoyed all y'all content. Y'all really have been some amazing people putting in a lot of work, and I have learned a lot from a lot of you guys. So going forward into 2025, I want to say from Delores, keep up the good work. I'm watching you guys. I'm learning from you guys, okay? Keep going and have a blessed new year. From Urban Influence with Delores. Peace.